Welcome to XY Vending. Let's show our 49-inch media touchscreen vending machine. You can surely have good experience in this machine. The original color is white and black. Also customized, also available. It accepts custom wrap, logo design, and other requirement. Just tell us, we will try our best to meet your need. The payment way is various, such as bill acceptor, coin validator, card reader, and e-wallet payment. The tray configuration can be customized, and the single or double spiral belt tray can meet different size of product. Let's choose the products. What do you want to buy in touchscreen? Pay it, then get the products in delivery door. Do you like it? 49-inch touchscreen machine is a good choice.